It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host, Ben, and we're going to dive right in. So, Bitcoin couldn't quite get up there, had a nasty pullback after getting that rejection, that little double top there at 64,000. Pulled all the way back to 60,000, but was immediately bought up and pushed all the way back, and it's still above the 10-day moving average. So, that just kind of one of those random dips, it looks like. But with that much buying pressure pushing it back above the EMAs, I think it's still on track to try to make this break soon. We do have some interesting top gainers today. Iotx up 225%. This has been running the last 2 days from 6 cents, had to shoot up all the way to 40 cents. So very big gain that you could have made there. Nothing but buying volume at the moment. I don't know what's going on with Iotx. Let's look a little closer. Yeah, so on the hour chart, this candle here is pushed up above the tops of these two. Yeah, it's pushing now. If it closes above the tops of these two, this could continue to run. I may look to try to scalp this bad boy. We'll see. So the next gainer we got is Gods, up 37.5%. Been talking about Gods Unchained the last couple of days, and that token coming out. The whole video on Gods Unchained will be out on the channel today, so you guys will be able to check that out after the live stream. You can see it's got some selling pressure around the $7 to $8 area, but it is pushing up. So even with that selling pressure, and this one is not one that's known by a lot of investors. It's more known in the gaming community. So as investors start to see this, and it starts hitting people's scanners or whatever, their watch list and whatnot, as it's going up, I think it's going to get more attention. But you'll see in that video why I'm so bullish on it. So then next we got Badger up 28%. Boy, this thing just had a rip not too long ago. Let's look at this hour chart. Yeah, so this has been the past 3 hours. Got a spike from 28 all the way up to 83. Nasty, nasty rip. But pulled back down to 36 so far. So a lot of volatility on this one. It is bullish on the 1 hour chart, but we'll have to see if that can level out, find some support, and get some more buying. Because it's like as soon as it shot up that high, people just dumped all of it that they had. Which I don't blame them. Going from 30 to 85 is quite a jump. So we got a hot altcoin market still at the moment. Let's take a peek at Ethereum. See what old Ether's doing. Yeah, so Ethereum just hit more new highs in the past 4 hours. Popping all the way up to that 46.76. Bullish as hell, still above the 50 in the 10-day on the 1 hour chart. Looks like it's going to try to hold support here at this 46.15 area. Maybe just 46 before it continues to run. But Ethereum looking good. Like I said, I think we'll see it up to 5,000 when it really gets that nice rip, if it gets it. Our whole Cosmos ecosystem, all those coins are up. Cosmos back up to this 38 area, a little bull flag it's kind of making on the 1 hour. So we'll probably see Cosmos on back up to 40. AKT is up, DVPN, Iris. Luna almost up to 50. Gave it a little try. We popped over and we made a new high on Luna. One little quick pop, and see this is an ugly candle. In 1 hour, this thing shot up there to 50. So 50 is going to be a lot of resistance, but I'm expecting Luna to break 50. Been a beautiful run on Luna so far. It doesn't look like it's really slowing down at all. Oh, we got Mirror Protocol. Damn, I missed this one. This is the one that I alerted had the entry on, looking for that pullback. It never really pulled back. It held that $3 support, but you can see it just ripped up to 413. Still looking pretty bullish here. And there's a lot of room that this could run from previous highs. So I'm still in Fetch. Fetch just not able to break a dollar. Back down to the 50-day here on the 1 hour. This thing at some point is going to break a dollar, but it's taken a long time for it to do it. So at this point, maybe another couple of days, then we'll see that breakout. I'm still holding as of now, but I may get in and out of it, and if there's some scalping opportunities, which it looks like there is. So Mana still consolidating. Held up most of its gains so far, surprisingly. If it can break back above 3, we'll see that continue to run. Shiba, and this is what I was warning about, guys. This is what I was saying. I was saying when this triangle started looking weak and it cracked this area, it was going to have a nasty little dump. So it dumped all the way down to that 4871 area. It's come back up. But, you know, it's got to find some support now. It may try to hold this area of support since it has pushed back up so far. That's right where it's at. But if it can't hold, then I would say we'll see it back down to probably this 4, well, probably this 5 area. I think Shiba will probably try to hold 5 where it touched as pretty strong support. Let's see what we got here. About to go to your overnight job. All right, Orlando. Appreciate you stopping by. Ruben, you've been working on a couple strategies and you got some rules. There you go. That's the key. Stick to your rules. Sayatama. Is that, what's the ticker symbol, Lauren? I have no idea what that is. Then you'll be talking about the stock market, and Ruben, of course, we know we're talking about crypto. So Ruben's like, I don't care about the stock market. All right, so let's see what else we got going on here. Oh, yeah, Solana. Guys, I told you it was probably going to get up to 250. Very nice run so far, up to 245. If you got some Solana in that dip when I was talking about it back here at 164, good job. Or if you're still holding from the initial rip, good job. But Solana, since it's just now breaking out, looks like it may just be getting going. I would expect a rejection at 250 and a little consolidation between 220 and 250 before the big breakout comes. But very nice so far. Very nice. Like seeing that. See, the Voyager token did come back down. It's about that 250 area. Bounced it off so far. Still in this downtrend though. Gotta get over that downtrend. I really wanted to see it hold this 275 area as a new support. Algo, not doing much. Still in this wedge. It is coming up. But until we see a break back over 2, Algo's not going to do anything. It's just going to keep going sideways in the short term. Auction, this is the other swing I'm in. I'm still holding auction, looking for that break. It did get a little pop up yesterday to, what was that, 44. But I'm looking for a little bit more out of it. But I may have to just get out of it and, you know, scalp because I don't know. I just enjoy scalping these cryptos. Avalanche, bada boom, breaking up out of that downtrend there. I'm going to go ahead and remove this line right here. But we'll probably see Avalanche push and test that new highs at that $80 area. There's a lot of resistance at 75. It's got to get through that first, but looking pretty good at the moment. May have to have a pullback before it can break up to 80. Axie still trending upwards. CGLD still on the bottom of this trend line. I'm waiting a little bit longer to see it hold up, but it is getting very close. And break a $7, it could get a very nice run again. Oh, so the ticker symbol is... okay, let me see if I can find it. Let's see if maybe trade it. I'm assuming maybe you've seen it on, there it is. Saitama. That's a long ticker symbol. So we got wrapped ether. This is all in wrapped ether, so I'm gonna have to look at it. Let's see if I can pull it up on CoinGecko. Oops, that's CoinDesk, not CoinGecko. Come on. Saitama. So Saitama Inu. So this is a dog. Right? I bet I'm saying this wrong. Is it, what is it, Shishama or something? I have no idea. Jesus, look at this total supply. This total supply is ridiculous. This is worse than shib is. And we don't know how many's in circulation. Let's see. The 1 year chart, this has been going straight up. Yeah, and then here in the last 24 hours, looks like it maybe, well, let's see, last 7 days, maybe, yeah. So there's a trend line. Do we have a... Oh, I do have a candlestick chart here. There we go. I'm going to use this to look at it. But there is a trend line you can form. I don't think I have any drawings on here. Right there, starting there, running across there, on up. So it is a little bit off at the current moment. Let's see. 7 day, you have this kind of bull flag going on, and you can see that's what's happened in the last 24 hours. It's consolidating sideways. So if it's going to run again, it's got to break whatever the top of that insane number is. After this big run, though, I don't know how many zeros that is, but hitting a 1 like that is going to be major resistance, and that's why you see it not even hitting that 1 yet. Sellers are already sitting at that 1 area. So I don't know much about this coin, but I would be concerned if it doesn't break that 1 area soon. Because out of this consolidation, yeah, see, the last 30 days it's up 750%. That's quite a run. And it's quite a run. Not sure. The supply is ridiculous. The price of this coin is like nothing. Let's see, it's on Uniswap. It's only on a few. It's on 5. Oh no, that's eToro. That's a sponsor though. It's not showing eToro on there. So it's only on these 5. And you can get it from Uniswap, and that's about the only one I'm familiar with. $100 quadrillion is the supply. Community manage and promote a token with a percentage of every transaction redistributed between holders, and the burn wallet decreasing supply and increasing holders' tokens. That's very vague. That is very vague. So honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I'll look at it real quick on the website, but I mean, being up 750% in the last 7 days, you would think it's probably going to have a pullback. So the Saitama is a ERC20 with a smart code that makes it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. 2% of every transaction. Huh. Anti-whale trap. Interesting. Huh. One-stop shop for DeFi. Use bank cards to purchase tokens. Buy and sell goods using cryptos. Learn and improve financial skills. Create and trade NFTs. And then it's got its own wallet. So I'm seeing a lot of, you will be able to, they've got a lot of stuff that they're wanting to do. I don't know. I don't know about this one. So we're in stage 3. So there's 80,000 holders of it. They donated to a charity. And stage 4 is when everything is supposed to come out. The platform for the NFTs, the DeFi wallet, and the marketplace. So how long it takes to get to stage 4, they don't have any dates. And then they're telling you that they're transparent. Who's running this team? We got Steve and we got Manpreet. So, I don't know. I mean, it's interesting, but that supply, I just don't like high supply coins like this. That's such a high supply. I don't know. Anyway, let's pop back over here to the other cryptos to see what are you talking about. That's a good point, Ruben. Good point. Kate Coin did over 8,000% over last week. You're still bullish on Pink Panda? I don't know where you're finding these super cheap altcoins that are just coming out. Or I don't know if that one was even just coming out, but that's pretty wild. The supply is just, it's a crazy supply. I don't know what to say. So Fetch did have a little, or not Fetch, Farm did have a little break up to 170. Starting to try to break this triangle. Does need to get some buying back in here. If it comes back into the triangle, it'll probably dump out. So it needs to hold up above 158 if it's going to start its run. Let's go back to the top percent gainers. Let's see if we actually have anything that I could maybe trade here. That's a 15-minute, and that's on Iotx. It's starting to pull back some. Badger not doing much. Oh, AMP getting some action here. I think Dom was talking about AMP on Crypto Hub on frameworkfortune.com. If you haven't joined, go join. It's free. But yeah, AMP. Interesting. Keep an eye on AMP. Nice little build up so far. That may be getting ready to have a little breakout here. Possibly over that 7-cent area. So let's keep that one on watch. Solana having that pullback, trying to come back down to the 10-day. Yeah, so AMP and OITX are the ones I'm going to be keeping an eye on here for the time being. Look at AMP at a little bit higher time frame. Oh yeah, not looking too bad there. Yeah, this looks like this is very close to breaking out. On this hour chart, we got 15 minutes. So the next candle, if it starts pushing green and breaks that 7 cent area, we're probably going to see a pop up to 10. That'd be a decent move. Question is, do I want to get out of auction though? Because it's still trying to push up. I'm down a little bit on it right now. Man, AMP, yeah, I'm getting out of auction because AMP looks like it's about to go. Can always get back in auction later. Come on. Come on, Coinbase Pro. Oh yeah, we're looking pretty nice right there. Let's hop into the 1 minute. Oh, yep, starting to go. I'm hopping in. Started getting a little push. See what kind of scalp I can make off of this. So 394 was my cost. See, I've got what? Let's see. Let's say 6,000 coins. So if it moves a penny, that should be like 60 bucks. If my math is correct, we'll see. So I want to see if it can break over 7 and just run up to maybe 8. Just some type of buy and push. We are starting to move up there. See, very close. If we break 7, let's see, let me look on the full chart and see where the last resistance is. Yeah, so after that 7, we got room up to 8. So we'll see if it can break here. It's very close. I'll pull back there. What's up, Sterling? Hey, Dom. Yeah, I was just talking about you. You were saying earlier on the Crypto Hub that AMP was moving. I hopped in here looking for this break at 7 cents, but it didn't quite get up there yet. Need to make sure the support holds right across here, like 6, 7.5. Let me see what I'm losing right now. Okay, so I'm down. Just on that little move, I'm down $8. Got to hold here. Hold for 25 cents? I don't know about that, man. 25 cents. I don't know if it can do all that. This thing ain't ever been up that high. Yeah, the highest it's got before when it came out was like 12 cents. I scalped the hell out of it when it came out on Coinbase. See, this 5-minute candle's fixing to close. It's going to close green, but got these upper wicks at selling pressure below 7. See if we start popping here. And looks like we might start going. Let's see, where's all the sellers sitting at? It's a bunch of sellers at 6.8, so 6.8 needs to break. And some at 6.9, but that 6.8 area is what we're looking to break right now. That's what needs to break. Slowly coming down the pipeline here. Come on. Testing that 6.8 now. See, there's some selling at 6.830 too. We're just getting piles of selling. Let's look at that. Yeah, this volume profile though in the last couple of days is pretty good though. So we got 9 minutes on this 15-minute candle to close. We got quite a bit of time. If it can break over 7 before that candle closes on the 15, then we ought to be pretty good. It's starting to. So it's trying to hold that 6.8 area as support, but it's struggling to do it. There it goes. See if these bids get it. There we go. There's not a lot of selling now at 6.8, so I'm not sure what's holding there. Okay. Well, yeah, we're having selling come in. This has got to break this 6.8 here very soon, like in the next 30 seconds. If we get rejected here with this little red candle, then we're probably going to pull back to that 6721 area. But we're starting to go sideways too long. We're starting to lose that momentum. We don't want this to start a downtrend like that. It's kind of a bit of a triangle we got going on here. God's up over $7. Badger starts holding that 36 area. That could start ripping. Yeah, so AMP getting a little rejection. I'm going to be getting out if it doesn't hold up the 6729 area. 5 minutes on this candle. Because see, I got in high, looking for it to break out there, and if it comes all the way back down to the 10-day or this trend line, that'll be a little bit of a loss. So I'd rather just get out of it if it cracks that area, and possibly get back in it. But I don't want to hold it for a loss. There's very close to cracking here. See the 5 minute. Yeah, that momentum getting killed off. Yeah, I don't like that. Gonna doji out here. What you gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out. I probably took a little bit more of a loss than I wanted. That started dropping pretty quick there. See, look at that double top on this body. So I'm gonna give this some time to come back down. Make sure it's gonna hold this support there. Let's see, what's Badger looking like? Badger still looks bad. Iotx. Altx starting to move again. Let's pop over to it while that's selling off for a minute. Oh, that's starting to come back up now. Re-break at 25 cents. This could run. A little bit of a double bottom. How many can I get? 1,000. So if it ran 10 cents, that'd be $100. Is that possible? It is possible. So we got this downtrend that needs to break, which is right at the 25 cent area. Keep AMP on watch still, because AMP is still in this consolidation, just my entry was too high. You're going to give a little pullback here? What are you going to do? It's trying to hold this 22.5 support. There it goes. I was going to say, it's holding that really well. It's still holding, though, even though it just had that little dip. Start break. Oh, Jesus. Maybe about to go here. going. 22,796. If we can re-break over 23, we should see it try to get that 25, maybe 30. My profit target on this is going to be 30 because I think if it breaks at 25, it's going to try to peak up there. There we go, getting on that. There's that 23-cent selling, getting taken out there. Very nice. Gotta push over the tops of these candles at 23.5. Yeah, there it is, at 23.5 sitting there. See if this fella gets taken out. Okay, AMP's looking pretty good. It had its little pullback. Now it's got a bullish engulfing candle. So that may be breaking 7 cents here soon. At least breaking the triangle up to 7 cents. There we go, up to 24 cents. A lot of selling at 24. Actually, they just all got taken out. All right, let's see that quarter. Let's see that quarter. How much selling we got at a quarter? Actually, I'm up $20. So I just made that loss back if I was to lock it out here that I just took. But let's see if it can break 25 cents. And we're all over the place. Let's see at 25. Come on down the pipeline. Get on down here. Oh, there we go. Get on down here. Come on. Give us a nice break. Give us a nice pop on up. There's that 25. Come on. Pull it down there. Get on down. Get on down here. Getting a little rejection. Getting a pretty big rejection. Still a lot of volume coming in though. See, we're already pushing back up. We pop over the body of this red candle at 24.21. And it's going to be on, I think. I think we'll see that break of 25 if we hit it. We barely tapped it a couple of times. We need to actually hit it and see buyers take it out. Looks like AMP's almost up to that 6.8 area right now. Yeah, AMP looking pretty good. All right, you gonna push up here? Get back over 24. Maybe. Don't get rejected here. We don't want to get rejected at 24. Getting a little bit of pushback, but you can see the, phew, boy, this time in sales and level 2 is starting to go fast. It's making my eyes water. It's moving so fast. It's hard to read this as quick as this thing's moving. Let's see. Is Iotx broken? What do you mean? Ooh, so we couldn't hold 24. We're getting a little little sketchy there. What do I trade crypto on? I'm on Coinbase Pro. What's going on? Is it different priced everywhere else? Like a crazily different price? Because it's not like stocks. Like the stock market, all the prices are going to be the same across any market. With cryptos, it can depend on the exchange because of the exchange fees, the way the exchange is set up, if it's a DEX, if it's not a DEX. I mean, there's a lot of little things go into it, but like if I pull up my trading view charts and go look at the difference between a Coinbase chart and say a Bitrex chart, there's usually a little bit difference in price. Not like a huge difference. It's usually only a few cents. But I don't know. If there's something going on with this that I'm not aware of, let me know because I don't want to be in something that's about to crash. But it depends on, it pretty much depends on the liquidity of the exchange. It's 100% different. Okay, y'all are making me nervous now. AMP starting to test that 7 cents. So Ruben, if you're still in there, you may get this break, buddy. I hope it breaks for you. I may be joining you here if Iotx starts turning around on me. Let me look real quick and see what is going on the price difference. So we got, now are you looking at it in USD or are you looking at it in something else? Because there is, the same pairs with the Euro and Bitcoin. You can see there's a lot of different pairs here. So this is the Binance chart. Interesting. That's very interesting. That is definitely a 11-cent difference. I don't know if that's the same coin. Let's check around here. See, that's Coinbase's chart. Let's check Hyobi. Huh. How about Qcoin? Huh. About sushi. Okay. A little bit crazier on sushi. We're starting to downtrend a little bit. This needs to push back up very, very, very soon in the next couple of seconds here. It needs to get back over 24 cents if it's going to break at 25. Yeah, I don't know. I do not know what to tell you. I have not seen any charts this different before. Bitrex is close-ish. It's about a 4-cent difference. Huh. Yeah, that's quite a bit of a difference. Interesting. AMP breaking the triangle, so AMP is going to try for this 7-cent breakout here. I'm going to put AMP into the 5 minutes so I can see a little closer. There we go. Yeah, real close. Iotx, I'm going to be giving up here. There's a big buyer at 22 cents. A lot of big buyers coming in there. If we start cracking 22, I'm out. Oh, yep, I'm out. Damn, this one not able to break either. All right, well, let's go back to AMP. I don't know. I'm gonna let Iotx chill for a second, and I'm a little skeptical about that chart. So we are trying to break the 7 cents right now. It is starting to go. Let's see if I can hop in there real quick. There we go. What I got? 724. Let's see. Just give me a penny. That's all I want. Give me a penny up to 8 cents. Come on. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Come on up here. A little rejection there. We gotta hold above 7 cents if it's going to continue to rip. Buyers are trying to hold it up there. Oh, very nice. Buyers pushed it straight back up. Let's see. I forgot where I said the resistance was on this. I think it's I don't know. A very nice triangle breakout there so far. Can this thing really get going now? That's the question. Seen some big breakouts this last couple of weeks, so maybe we can see something a little out of the ordinary on this, but maybe not. We got to be ready to lock in profits in case it turns around on us. So still trying to push, but having a lot of problems up to that 7.5. There we go. I suspect we're going to run into some resistance there at that 7.5 area. Pretty strong resistance. But if not, you know, we could blow right through it 2.8. There comes 73. Looks like we're going to try to get the push to 7.4. Not too much selling at 7.4. Come on down here. Come on down here. There you go. There you go. Get that 7.4 down and then get it out of here. So a little pullback. What is that previous high? Yeah, that's that 8 cent area. That's the next area of resistance. Like I said, we got to hold above 7. We preferably want to hold above this 7161. Now, if this 1 minute candle can push up over 74, that would be a bullish engulfing. We could see it. We could see that next leg up coming on this candle. Let's see. What about ACH? I don't know what's going on with ACH. Let me get out of this play here in a second, and I'll take a look at it. All you new people in the chat tonight, appreciate you joining. If you haven't yet, go join frameworkfortune.com. It's free. Oh, so we're getting a little wild here. You see these candles are getting a little bit bigger. We're getting a little bit more volatile. So volume is starting to ramp up. Yes. Let's see. Let's go back to this 15-minute. Oh, yeah. That 15-minute. That 15-minute is absolutely beautiful. We are a little ways off of the 10-day, but we are pushing back up here. Yeah, no, I know about ACH. I just don't know what's going on with it right now. Like, what are you asking me about it? Are you want me to look at the technical analysis for it in the short term, long term? Yeah, you know, what exactly do you want me to, what do you want me to look at? Let me look at it overall. Let's see if we get this break of the 7.75 here. There it is right there. There he is. Oh, getting pulled down. Yeah, we may break. Oh, come on. Get on down here. That's it. Get on down here. Let's see where I'm at right now in profit on this play. So I've made up almost both losses so far. If it can break up to 8, this would be a $50 profit. It looks like we're about to break 7.5. 7.5 getting pecked at. Pecking. Just a little more pecking. Come on. There we go. Come on. Hit it. Hit it hard, buyers. Oof. We got a rejection. First touch there, rejection. Come on, buyers. Let me see this come back. Pull. Yeah, don't get off. We need to. This big red bar needs to be right here. It does not need to be up here. Get on down here. Is AMP better than? Nice. You made a little profit, Ruben. Not bad. Not bad. Is AMP better than ACH as far as investment? I don't know about that. I'm just scalping AMP. I've looked into it some. ACH I haven't looked that much into, so I definitely have no idea what they're about exactly besides the payment thing. So we are getting a little rejection. As long as we don't drop below 7.2 and we curl back up to 7.5, it should be good. But nice locking it out at that resistance because we didn't break. So I'm still holding, but I might have should have locked it out. Let's see. Having a bit of a pullback, cracking at 72. That may be all it had. It may just had up to that 7.5 for now. May have to come back down for a while and breathe, but as long as we're over 7. There we go. Being back up to 73. Oh, we come back alive a little bit here. That was a little breather. If we can hit 75 again, we should be off. Boy, this is a dogfight right now between buyers and sellers. 74 slowly coming down the pipeline. 74. Oh boy, we're getting real crazy here. Big seller just dropped down to 73.61. Let's see if it gets taken out. Yeah, he got wiped out quick. Yeah, we're probably about to break here. Pop on this 1 minute. Yeah. We don't want this to hold up where it's holding up right now. It needs to go ahead on up to 75. If this candle can't get over that 74 area and close above it, then it would be a head and shoulders pattern. So it's close. And there it goes. There it goes. Okay, now we're looking good. Now we're looking good. Come on down here, 75. Still got that big guy there. We should be getting another test. And here comes 75 down the pipeline. Come on down. Oh, we may get another rejection. Now, see, you could be scalping this, but, I mean, in these little small rips, but... Yeah, another big pullback because that rejection, second rejection off of that 7.5 area. And the 7.5 never quite got down there. It was super close. Buyers pushing. It's not giving up yet, though. That 7.5 peeking down again. Come on. About to give it another little test, a little tickle. You can give it a little tickle. Come on. It's a little bit more. Oh, it's so close to breaking. It's so close, but if it doesn't break here, that's not going to be good. It needs to break here. And let's see if he gets taken out. Come on down here. Come back down here. There he goes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There he goes. He's getting taken out. There he goes. There he goes. And we're out of there. Get that 75 out of here. All right. Now let's go to 8. Let's see some 8. Let's just shoot straight up to 8. Let's not waste any time. All right, Amp. How's that sound? Sound like a good deal? Sounds like a good deal to me. Straight to 8. Let's see if you can do it. Maybe. You gonna pop on up there? You ain't that far. Just a little bit more. How are we looking on the 15? On the 15, we're way off the 10-day. So I would say if we hit that 8, we're probably going to see a pretty nice rejection, and that'll be done for now. But I'm going to get ready to lock this out, because if this starts dropping at all, I don't want to give back this profit. Let me stay above that 70-cent area. Or not 70 cents, 77 cents. Then back down to 7.5. Let's see if that holds. That was strong resistance. Let's see if that holds. Damn, I might end up giving back profit on this one too if this doesn't hold up here. Don't like that we stopped at that 8-cent area, but let's look on the 5-minute. Let's see what we look at like on the 5-minute right now. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really to look at. It's just going up green, green, green the last little bit. Already almost back up to that 775. Let's see. Hold on just a second, guys. Forgot to turn my mic back on. So I got in here with $358. I'm up to 385. Where I'm at now is about where I started. So I'm back above both those losses. I'm just trying to get some more. I'm just trying to get some profit. Just a little bit more. See, we've held up 7.5 so far. We're starting to kind of curl up. If this candle starts pushing, let's see. I don't know. It's consolidating, so let's see. My scalping reminds you of 10 years trading in the Forex. Well, I've been day trading stocks for 7 years, so you know, it's all really the same, the strategies and stuff. If you're going off a straight technical analysis with charting and if you use indicators or whatever, the price action is price action no matter what you're charting. But normally I'd have a little bit more than $385, but I'm holding fetch with the other part of this account right now. And I'm also waiting for the Voyager desktop to come out because I just don't like Coinbase Pro that much. Most of my crypto investments and stuff are in Voyager, not in Coinbase Pro. This is just my little scalpy account. Alex, I will look at Gala. I think I looked at that yesterday. I don't know if you requested it yesterday or if that was somebody else, but I'll take a look at Gala and ACH here as soon as I get out of this position. It looks like we're going to come up to that 8. Are we going to break that 8? Oh, if we break 8, this is going to be sweet. Let's see. And we may try. That 8 is starting to come down the pipeline here. Come on. I mean, this is already a big run. That's something you have to keep in mind, too. Like, for this cheap of a coin, this is a pretty big run. So, it may not get past 8, but I'm going to get ready to lock it out if it starts dropping back. If it drops back below 775, then it's going to be done for at least a little bit. Got the 7-9 coming back up here. Let's see. Ooh, that was a nice little buy and push. Pushed a bunch of those sellers out of there. Oh, we're getting a lot of sellers pushed out of here. Come on down to that 8. Let's see. We hit it. Took out a few sellers. Taking out a few sellers. Come on. Lot of sell. A lot of selling. Shoo! I'll tell you, doing 10 live streams a week or 11 live streams a week it gets rough on your voice. Plus all the other content I record and all the talking I have to do for businesses, meetings, and all that. Yeah. Need a second voice box. So we're still testing, and we're back at it again. Let's see if it gets taken out. Looks like it may get taken out. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, there we go. Starting to get taken out. And looks like we're going to get it out of here. Come on. Oh, it's not. Oh, that's a lot of selling. There it goes. Come on, come on. It's trying so hard, but we've got to get this guy. There he goes. Now he's out of here. He's out of here. We're breaking over 8. Straight up to 82. Let's see how much more you got. How much more you got for me? Can we go to 9? Oh, beautiful rip so far. Beautiful, beautiful rip. Now I'm up in the profit. Beautiful rip up to 85. Oh, look at this. All the way up to 9. Oh, goodness. That may be all I had. I'm trying to hold to see if it's going to hold 8. Nope, starting to coming back down. Should have took it at that high. It looked like it was really starting to run, and then it just got slammed at that 9. See if it can get back above 8 here. If it can hold above 8, it's still good to go. Bam, back above 8. So 8 holding that support now. Very nice. Very nice. Push up. Boy, the volume. This thing is getting faster and faster. Is there any... So, there's a bunch of selling at 8.5. We just come up to it almost. Don't start turning around on me. Start turning around on me again. Phew! I was about to lock it out there. If it cracks 8, I'm out. Trying to pop back above that 82 right now. It's having some trouble getting above 82. There it goes. There it goes. Almost to 83. Kind of bumbling around with 83 here. 84 starting to come down the pipe. Come on down. And it looks like 84 might be ready to pop through again. Yep, right through 84. What does that 85 look like? There's the 85. Come on down. Come on down the pipe. He got partly taken out there for a second. He's starting to get taken out now. Yeah, come on down. Come on down. Oh, right through 85. Very nice. Looks like we may try to get back up to that 9 again. We're pushing right now. There's 87. Got a little rejection at 87. Look at the buying coming in on this. Look at these buyers coming in on this. Oh my goodness. If these sellers can't stop these buyers, this thing is about to pop. And it popped to the downside. I'm hopping out real quick. All of a sudden, quick dump all of a sudden there. So, damn, left little profits on the table. I thought we were gonna get to that 9, but that's okay. I made back up for both losses, and I'm a little bit in the green on that trade, so that's not bad. Yeah, you can see his pullbacks are getting deeper and deeper. Still holding up the uptrend. Tries to hold 8 here, it could bounce right back up. So it's holding that 8 as support. It is bouncing off of it. Are we going to come back up here? Yeah, we are starting to come back up here. Okay, no, it got rejected at 8.5 there, so it's going to have a pullback first. All right, so let's take a look at Gala and ACH. I'll pop Gala first because I have ACH on my list. Calculated by TradingView. Gala cracking that triangle, or not triangle. Well, yeah, I guess it is a triangle. Let me pull back here. I knew I looked at this yesterday. So on that 4-hour chart, we've got, yeah, trend line's cracked, so that's not good. It does have the 50-day to still hold up at 92.5. So as long as it can hold 92.5, it could continue to try to push through 10, but getting a pretty strong rejection there at 10 cents. So you're going to want to see that break. ACH, yeah, ACH is pushing. Nice break out of this downtrend. I'm going to remove that line for now. Where'd it go? There it goes. But yeah, breaking that downtrend. If ACH can break back over 10, it could run probably to 12. Let's see, what's our percent gainers at? So Iotx, that one having a pullback. Glad I got out of there. See, that's why you got to cut your losses quick. Because I took 3 trades in this live stream. I took 3 trades. The first 2 I lost. They were small losses though. And that third trade, because the first one was about, I think, a $20 loss, and the second one was about a $25 loss. So that was $45 in those 2 trades. Now this one, 5,000 from 0.71 to 0.81, that's a whole penny. So a penny on 5,000 is about, let's see, what is that exactly? Oh, no, that's the fee. I'm looking at the fee. Actually, I didn't get it at a penny. I got a little less than a penny. So it was about 60, 70 bucks, something like that if I calculated it. It's just estimate, but it was over what I started with. So I was one out of 3 trades. I was able to win and be profitable. So you don't have to win every single trade. Just keep your stop losses tight. Keep your losses tight. Now, I don't use stop losses that are actual stops here on Coinbase Pro because I don't trust it. I use mental stop losses, which is what I do a lot in the stock market too. What was the other one I was checking? Oh yeah, I checked both of them. I checked Gala and ACH. Let's see. You made 9.3% profit off your scalp. Very nice, Ruben. Fourth is going to pump like IFDA did. Pump groups are getting ready. Fourth, the screen is too big for the broadcast. You must be on your cell phone. So the symbol is AMP. The one I just traded was AMP, but you can see it's pulled back now. Iotx, I don't know exactly, like, are you looking at long term or did you buy it up here at the top and now you're holding it and you're scared to death? Because if you bought up here at the top, then, you know, you don't want to do that. But I'll give the stream, I got to get to recording the last rip for the other channel, the home channel. So we got 7 people in here. Actually, we had more than that. We only got 3 like buttons. Can I get some like button smashes? Y'all are putting me to work looking at all these symbols, these coins I've never heard of, Gala and Sema, whatever that other one was. Oh, it's on your TV? And you're having problems with it, really? You're holding it with a small loss? Okay, well if you're not down that much, it's kind of hard to say. Let me look at it on a little bit higher time frame. I was looking at it earlier. Yeah, it's never been this high. So the thing I don't like is right now on the 4-hour is you have this resistance at a quarter. It's strong resistance because it flattened the bodies of both tops of these. However, the 10-day and the 50-day is below it. You have the EMAs below this, so this is bullish on this 4-hour chart. Very, very bullish. So I mean, I would not want to see it. I mean, as long as the 10-day holds, it can continue to ride up the 10-day, but I really wouldn't want to see it under the bottom of this wick right here. That wick, because if it drops below that, it's going to drop on down to this 10-day. So you really don't want it to do that. You want it to hold its gains here. It may be another 4 hours or something where it's got to hold its gains in this area. And then on the next 4-hour candle, if it can break a quarter, then it could run. So I would say you're looking at the next 8 hours of either this is going to dump back down or you're going to have that push up. I don't know anything about IOTX, any news or anything like that. So I'm only giving you technical analysis of what could happen with this chart pattern. Yeah. Ooh, man. AMP dumped all the way down, but had a little pop real quick right up to the 8 cent. That'd have been a nice little scalp. So yeah, I didn't get it that I didn't get this. I didn't sell out at the top. I should have, but I didn't. But I got out of this before it ate my lunch. This was very close to bending me over a barrel. So that's why you want to lock out profits. That's another lesson there. Locking out profits when you got them. Because I almost waited too long on this. My OBS frame, my OBS should be. I've been Luke Cox. Where you been, buddy? I've been trading AMP. I just traded AMP. I just got done trading it. AMP's, you know, it's got to hold to 7 cents. It's got strong support at 7 cents. Peak here, and then you can see where it tested that as support and it just bounced off of it. So as long as it's above 7 cents, it's already broke this downtrend. Looks like it may try to push up some more. But like I was saying earlier on AMP, and this is the last thing I'm going to say about AMP for now. This is the highest it's ever been. It's never... Oh, wait, no, that's the other coin. That was Iotx. Never mind. Scratch that thought. But let me remove this downtrend. We don't need that anymore. The highest this has ever been is 12 cents. So it's got a ways to go to get there. This 9 cent area is some resistance. 10 cents is definitely some resistance. It's going to be very strong resistance. This has only had one day ever where it closed above 10 cents. This green candle closed above it. This red candle closed below it. So it has never been able to hold 10 cents as support. That area is going to be super stupid strong resistance. Now, if it breaks 10 cents, it could run more. But I don't know if I would expect it to go from straight down at 5 cents straight up to 10 cents when this is the whole chart for the last 6 months. You know? So things don't go straight up. They got to have breathers. They got to take a little break. They got to take a little stop, just like we saw. So on the 15-minute here on AMP, still climbing up this 10-day. On the 15, as long as it's holding up this 10-day, it can continue to climb. You see it tried to push back over the tops of those candles like I was talking about. That's what I wanted to see on this 15-minute candle. We got 12 minutes, so a lot of time. I'm not going to be doing a stream in 12 minutes because I got to get going. But yeah. If it can push over that, then it can push back up. It's still early in the day though. Like where I'm at, it's Central Time in America. It's like 5:48. So usually later in the night, we start to see more volume come in. Like we're getting some volume in a lot of these plays now, but until see ACH just breaking that 10 cents just now. Did it do that? Oh no, it was already over 10 cents. See, I haven't looked at so many tickers, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. Ooh, you can see there, same thing as AMP, flat little top there. So that's strong resistance. It's got to push over that. Ooh, Iotx selling off. But as long as it stays above that wick there. It may have to come down to the 50-day. There's some support right at that 17.5, the double bottom right here, these two candle bottoms, and then that 50-day right there. Because we are below the 10-day and we're riding down it. We want to be riding up it when we're on this side of it. When we're on the upside of the 10-day, we're bullish short term. When we're on the bottom side, we are bearish short term. So I need to see a trend reversal here in the next little bit for this to pop back up. But AMP into the year prediction, I don't know. I'm scalping AMP. I don't know that much about it. I'd have to do some research on it. The only end of year prediction that I have given this year is Bitcoin will be at 75K. That's the only thing I've given. The rest of these altcoins, I mean, end of year is really hard to say with the altcoins because, you know, it's not like Bitcoin where Bitcoin gets a nice big rip and then consolidates for a while. We'll get altcoins that go and spike real hard and then they'll pull back real hard. And, you know, they're all over the place a lot of times. Like, you look at a chart on something like that's a little bit more established, like Atom, you know, let's go to the daily chart here. You look at these candles on the days of Atom. This one day, 35 up to 43, 43 down to 36, 36 up to 40. So, there's a, you know, good bit of volatility in these cryptos when they get this much volume. So trying to have an idea, like I think I have said maybe add them to 50, but other than that, but yeah, I'll check. Ooh, look at that nasty dump on AMP. Oof, I gave up there. But all right, guys, I got to get going. We'll be back tomorrow around the same time, 4 p.m. Central. I think I was a little late today, for maybe 4:30 p.m., something like that. But appreciate everybody joining me. If you haven't yet, go check out frameworkfortune.com. Join the free website where we have the crypto hub and we have toolboxes full of scanners and all types of stuff. I have all my stock market lessons in the video library. That is the same stuff that I use to trade cryptos with. I don't do anything different, hardly, from stocks to cryptos. Yeah, go check that out. You can holler at me more in there if you're looking at cryptos or that you want me to take a look at off camera. Holler at me there. You guys have a great rest of your night. If you haven't yet, hit that like button on the way out. We'll be back tomorrow morning on the home channel for some live stock trading. Until next time.